Hi, Nathan Walters with Aquarius Fabrication. An opportunity I want to show you my box truck. It was in pretty rough condition, still is. I managed to sandblast those rims and paint them with 415. I need to get the lugs. The lug bolts are different diameter and thread count, so that's something to contend with. But it once had a hydraulic lift gate which failed, and instead of replacing a 1,600-pound piece of equipment, I decided to get rid of it and then replace it with these stainless steel handlebars, using the same mounting locations that the hydraulic liftgate used. Down here at the bottom, I wanted a good hitch and made it out of stainless steel. Obviously, that's the plug-in box. I still have to wire it up yet. Went ahead and I made this for the Tacoma, which will be in another video, but this is aluminum, obviously, stainless steel bolts. Try to use stainless steel bolts whenever possible. Up here is the backup camera. Now, I made that aluminum awning to protect it, of course. Take you inside the box truck. Okay, throw on the interior lights. So, aluminum. I'm not done with this switch panel yet. I'm still doing the wiring and whatnot. I can still remove it if need be. You know, little cup holder, change holder. This switch runs power to the backup camera. That way I can use it just going down the road. I don't necessarily need to be backing up. I prefer that over just having to find the reverse light circuit for the turn on. Forget that. I can flip a switch. I can have it running constantly if I want. Headlight, marker lights. Now, this box truck came with a mighty Chevy 4.3 liter engine, which hardly gets it down the road. And on top of that, it's having fuel issues, and I want to find out what's going on. First set of the gauges I installed all pertain to the intake and fuel. Stoichiometer, boost vacuum, which doesn't have boost yet. Air intake temp, fuel pressure. And I made this to, like, for the cigarette lighter and USB ports. This is aluminum polished, stainless steel screws. Now, this engine housing is kind of beat up and whatnot, fiberglass. This is going to go away and be replaced with aluminum, to which I'll be able to make a mount that will have things like transmission temp, oil pressure, other things, voltage. So anyway, inside the box truck, I plan on putting a flip down seat here, which I have. I need to make an aluminum wall, and this cross member is going to get bolted and riveted there, and then this whole thing's going to get paneled off with aluminum bolted in case by some chance I need to remove it. Anyway, since the lift gate was removed, I found this on Let Go up in Cleveland, a restaurant owner, and this is obviously a ramp, and I perforated the aluminum and then got a special chamfer tool to get rid of the sharp edges so I can carry it. Now it gets kind of dark in here because, got it. The circuitry's a little loose here. What I want to do with this is actually use the power supply to this to do 12 volt LED shop lights in here. And just to show you real quick, this is a generator I'm currently doing my work with. It does support 200 amps. It is a 5600 watt and it has 8600 surge watts. This is enough to power my 200 amp welding machines. You'll have to make an adapter plug if this is something you want to do as well. Not a big deal, just like an adapter pigtail. Actually, I have it in the box truck. I'll show you real quick in my job box here. Whoop, sorry. I keep this job box in here. Anytime I'm on any type of road work, I take it with me. So this is the plug that goes into the generator. This is the plug that you'd use for your welding machines. Adapter pigtail. Just like that. Now you're doing road work. So, anyway, I put a few more E-clip rails on here and whatnot. I mean, it's coming along slowly. I'd like it to be done faster because I'd like to be doing my own thing very soon. But anyways, I appreciate you watching.